The Carnival of Venice, a festival of mystery and masks. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Carnival of Venice is its iconic masks, which have been a symbol of mystery and intrigue for centuries. Dating back to the Renaissance, these masks allowed people of all social classes to mingle freely, blurring the lines between nobility and commoners. Some of the most famous mask styles include the botta, which covers the entire face and allows the wearer to eat and drink without removing it, and the plague doctor mask, with its long beak, originally worn by physicians to protect against disease. The tradition of elaborate costumes and masked balls continues today, transforming Venice into a mesmerizing spectacle of color, music, and theatrics every year.